Halo semuanya, selamat datang di channel saya Paper Stories.
Diophantus was a mathematician from Alexandria, Greece, and was born somewhere between 200 and 214 BC. Alexandria was the center of Greek knowledge and culture, and Diophantus was in the Silver Age of Alexandria. His life story is not known in detail, but some dates are obtained from a piece of mathematical work known as Diophantus's riddle. He married at 33 and had a son who lived to be 42, and Diophantus, according to riddle, was 84 when he died. Even though his private life is hidden, his mathematical works are written in Arithmetic, which originally had 13 books more than ours, which was only 6. Information from these books tells us that Diophantus learned from Babylonian teachers and that his works were inspired by Greek and Babylonian researchers. Arithmetic is the main work of Diophantus. It is based on his most significant and influential works on algebra in Greek history. The style is very different. He never used general methods in solving problems. One method used to solve a problem cannot be used for other problems, even if it is similar or similar. Diophantus wrote many books, but unfortunately only a few are still in existence. He did a lot of research in algebra, solving equations of integers. Some of these equations result in more than one possible answers. These equations are now called Diophantine or infinite. No one but Diophantus started using symbols to specify unknown values in an equation. His algebraic type is known as the syncopalate model of algebraic writing, which represents polynomials as already known. Before Diophantus' use of equation symbols was completed, the historian of mathematics Kurt Vogel said on the basis of the Diophantus symbols,
"The symbols introduced by Diophantus were first undeniable that he himself invented, providing an understandable picture of the equation in a concise and easy-to-read form. Since abbreviations are also used for the word equal, Diophantus provides the basic steps of algebra by words into algebra with symbols."
He also uses fractions as numbers. The equations are a summary of a number of theories. In this regard, he is known as the father of algebra. Although there are discrepancies in his work as well as the lack of numbers needed to express the more general methods, this separate technique limits Diophantus' works to specific problems. He also has no symbol for the common number, n. It is said that Diophantus wrote about polygonal figures. There are several books that write about the use of these numbers. The preliminaries to the geometric elements are considered to be the writings of the heroes of Alexandria, but current research by Wilbur Knorr suggests that these geometric elements were written by Diophantus. Diophantus shared his great influence in the field of mathematics, especially algebra, which later brought great progress in this field. Many of his works were preserved by Arabs. His work was also translated into Latin in the 16th century. The Diophantine equation is named after his good name. He died in 284 AD and has a great influence to this day.